Today, we're talking about something that's not so fresh about this fresh food lifestyle, the price. Because let's be honest, eating raw, eating clean, eating whole, it's not cheap. The price of produce right now is wild. It's not just creeping up, it's running neck and neck with rent and mortgages. Like, since when did a bag of grapes cost more than a tank of gas? And let's talk about convenience. Those cute little fruit cups, that pre-washed, pre-chopped salad mix in the clear plastic container, you're paying double, sometimes triple, just to not chop it yourself. And I get it, we're busy, we're working, we've got families, but convenience is expensive in this lifestyle. I remember one grocery trip where I grabbed a few things from the produce section, some pre-cut melons, a couple of salad boxes, and some organic berries, and the total, $87 for 3 days.
It's a trade-off, and I'm okay with it. So guys, let me tell you, raw veganism is not just a lifestyle, it's a commitment. When I first transitioned, I had no idea the financial impact it would have on me. I mean, fresh produce, organic stuff, all of that adds up. But over time, I was able to make the adjustment, and here I am. I'm doing it. So a lot of things have changed. I no longer get my nails done, at least not as frequently as I used to. And then also, I don't loan money anymore. Your emergency is no longer my emergency. I used to be the person you could call to borrow, $20, $30, maybe even $50, depending on what's going on. But now, no. It's a no-go for me. I'm sorry. You want to know if it's worth it? Well, that depends on you. Like, what are you willing to compromise? I know what I'm willing to compromise and what I'm trying to do to live a long, healthy lifestyle for my daughter. But, if you don't feel like it's worth it, then I guess it's not. Yeah, and this lifestyle costs. It's not cheap.
When you commit to eating raw or even just clean and plant-based, it's not just a food decision, it's a financial decision, because now you're sitting at the kitchen table doing math like, do I need all of these supplements this week? Can I put off my hair appointment? Do I skip the gym membership and just run outside? Grocery bills start demanding your attention like rent does. It forces you to budget harder, compromise differently, and get real strategic with your money. Now, I'm not just saying it's not worth it, because your health, your clarity, your energy, that's priceless.
No one tells you healing has a price tag, a very green one. Fast food is cheap, slow food is an investment. One hurts now, the other hurts later. It's expensive and it's priceless.
If you're out here doing your best to eat clean and your wallet's feeling the pressure, you're not alone. We're all in this grocery store jungle together. And look at this right here. This aqua fresca I'm making at home with fresh organic raw pecans, organic fruit, spring water, and organic dates for sweetener. It cost me about $30 for these ingredients. Yes, $30 because I wanted to make one drink. If I bought something like this in the store, $4.75 a bottle minimum. And you already know it wouldn't be as fresh, clean, or intentional. Sounds crazy, right? But the truth is, I'm very strategic and very particular about what I put in my body. It's what makes this lifestyle sustainable for me in the long run. I don't eat just to eat. I eat with purpose. So is it expensive? Yes. Is it extreme? Yes. But is it worth it? Well, that's for you to judge. If this hits home for you, drop a comment below and share your biggest grocery bill shock moment. I know I'm not the only one out here doing receipt math in the car. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who's trying to eat better but feeling the price pinch. Peace, love, and produce. I'll see you in my next video.